Okay guys, it's me Imad. So today in this video tutorial we will learn about how to generate or how to play a melody sound with the help of Arduino Uno. The simulator which we are using is the tinkercad. It is an online simulator. You just need to go to the Google and write tinkercad.com and it will lead you to the tinkercad online simulators window. So this is our main website or web page for simulator, and here we need to go to designs. We can click on create and then we will go for circuits, and this will lead us to the circuit window. We need to wait a little bit. Now it is initialized. Okay, now on right hand side you can see all sort of components, and we will click on Arduino Uno R3. So this is here. We need to write buzzer. So this is piezoelectric buzzer. We need to click on the positive pin of the buzzer, and we will just attach it with the pin number D8 or 8 of Arduino Uno. The negative must be connected with that of ground of Arduino Uno. So this is our circuit window or circuit. Now we will go towards code, which is our main part. We can click on text. And now this is our sample code. Now we will write our code here. So first we have to declare 4 variables. So that because we want to initialize 4 variables with certain values. And obviously these values will function inside our loop function or tone function. So first we will write define nte underscore c4 262. Now inside nte underscore c4 variable it is stored, that is integer 262. Now we will write define nte underscore g3, and here we will write 196, and 196 value has been assigned to nte underscore g3, and then define nte underscore a3 and 220, and define nte underscore b3 247. After this has been done, we will declare an integer array, that is int mldy. mldy is the name of the variable in which we will store a lot of components. Because array is it is just like a sequence of number. Okay, it is a set. It is just like a set on which all the things are placed on specific indexes. So here we will write int underscore c4, then nte underscore g3, nte underscore a3, and one more time nt underscore g3, then nt underscore a3, and again nte underscore g3. And then we need to write 0 comma nte underscore b3. After g3 there is b3, and then again nt underscore c4. So these are our values, and here we need to write semicolon. Okay, let me take it like this so that you can see the whole line. Now this is our melody array, that is mldy, in which all the notes have been saved. Now we will go for duration one, int nte underscore duration. So again this is an array, and again this is an integer array. So inside this integer array we will store certain numbers, certain integers, that is 4, 8, 8, 4, 4, 4, 4. All the durations are stored inside this nt underscore dur variable. On index 0 it is 4, on index 2 it is 8, on index 3 it is, or index 1 it is 8, index 3 it is 8, index 4 or 3 it is 4. That is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. These are the indices. Now this has been done. Now we will go towards our void setup. Now it's our void setup function which will execute for just one time. So now we will write a for loop here, and here we will, inside this for loop we will write int th underscore not. We have declared a variable of integer type, and we will assign it a value is equal to 0, and then th underscore not must be less than 8, and th underscore not plus plus. This is our syntax, general syntax for loop. Means that our for loop will run for about 8 times, because th underscore not is just a variable in which we have stored 0 variable. Means that it starts from 0 and then it will run for 8 times, and every time it will get incremented. So this is for int th underscore not is equal to 0. Then inside the body of the loop we will write int nte underscore dur is equal to 1000 divided by nte underscore dur th underscore not. Okay, so now we have divided 1000 with our nt underscore dur and then th underscore not. Okay, so this is our what's called is the, okay, this is our equation. Okay, so this is we have to write nt underscore dur 1. Why it is so? Because we have to change the name of the variable. So int nte underscore dur 1 is equal to 1000 and all this. Now we will write the tone function, which is a built-in function of the Arduino IDE. So this is tone function. We are not supposed to go into how it used to work, but we will just give certain parameters to this tone function and it will play a melody for us. So tone on pin number 8, we have connected our buzzer, so we will write pin number 8. Then we will write mldy th underscore not. Okay, then we need to write nt underscore duration or dur, nt underscore dur. So this is the thing. Then we will write int paus underscore b underscore not. Now this is the value of the pass. Okay, and we will write here nte underscore dur multiplied with 1.3. Okay, now dur 1. Okay, dur 1. Now whatsoever the value of duration 1, it will be multiplied with 1.3, and then it will be stored inside this variable to give us a specific pause duration. So then we will write delay of pause underscore p underscore not. Oh sorry, this is so because delay function is used for pause in the Arduino IDE language. And here we write note on and nothing and 8. On pin number 8 there must be note on after this has been done. Okay, so this is white setup, and in while loop we are not supposed to write anything. Okay, so now when I will play, so when I will start simulation, hopefully you will listen the melody. Okay, they said okay, here we need to write nt underscore dur. Now we will start simulation. Wait, again let me as it is the simulation, so you will see that it is not running very smooth, but in Wokwi simulator it just used to, yes, it just used to work very fine in Wokwi simulator. So here, okay, so this is all about the melody generation. So hopefully you got the concept. So thanks for visiting our channel.